Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into one of the best stochastic indicators available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, if you are looking to sharpen your entries and exits on short-term trades, you are going to love this one, right? One thing we all know is that every trader has their own preferences for what they call the best indicator, right? What feels perfect for me might not click for you, right? What feels perfect for me might not be perfect for you. The strategy that works for me might not work for you exactly for several reasons, maybe due to personality, emotional management and all of that, right? So that is the reason why it is important to find tools that match your unique trading style and goals. Meanwhile, the focus of this video is going to be on an enhanced stochastic based indicator that goes beyond the standard oscillators. Okay, it's a custom indicator that has been specially designed for identifying potential short-term swing positions and providing clear signals based on bullish and bearish momentum shifts. Okay, now this is an upgrade for anyone who loves working with oscillators but wants a sharper edge. All right, now we're going to be adding the full stochastic indicator to the chart right now. The full stochastic indicator, this is the custom indicator that I am referring to. Okay, let's just add the indicator to the chart. Okay, so this is the full stochastic oscillator. All right, and as you can see, this tool features three lines, right? There is a blue line, a red line, and a gray line. Each one plays a key role in helping you make better trading decisions. So let's just quickly start with the gray line. Okay, it's also known as the slow K line. The slow K line, right? It's critical to watch where this line is relative to key levels on the chart. When the gray slow K line crosses above the 80 level, it usually signals that the buying pressure is starting to exhaust. You can see what happened here when it crossed above the 80 level. It was not long after that we had this pullback, this particular pullback, right? After the gray line crossed above the 80 level. So basically, this trend started from here, right? The movement has been going up all the way to this point. Now, it is true that this was just a pullback, but you can see there was actually a change of character here. Price broke below the trend line, but eventually the trend continued. So this indicator gives you a heads up that there is a possible reversal. It was a possible reversal. It's not like the reversal was guaranteed, but it was a possible reversal. So you would have considered exiting your buy position. Okay, on the flip side, when the indicator drops below the 20 level, it means that selling pressure is wearing off, and you can see that that is what happened around here. This selling trend started coming to an end, and the gray line gave us an indication, right, that the sell was gradually coming to an end. So these are key moments when the market might be preparing for a reversal, and being able to spot them early can make a huge difference in your trades. Now let us talk about the blue and the red lines. Okay, that is the K line and the K line and the D line, right? So these lines are essential for catching momentum shifts. When the blue K line crosses above the red D line, it indicates bullish momentum. All right, it indicates bullish momentum. That bullish momentum is building in the market. If the red D line crosses over the blue, it points to bearish pressure increasing. So watching these crossovers helps you stay on the right side of market moves. All right, the beauty of this setup is in its clarity. You are not just guessing, based on vague signals. The three lines and their behaviors give you a clear story about what is happening behind the scenes in the market. Now, when combined, overbought and oversold conditions with momentum crossovers offer a strong framework for short-term trading opportunities, all right? Short-term trading strategies. So this indicator is ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. Beginners get easy to spot reversal signals, and experienced traders can fine-tune their momentum-based entries with even more precision. All right, so this indicator can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. As you can see, it's a unique indicator different from the standard stochastic oscillator that you know. This indicator tries to give you additional information, give you insight as to when potential reversals are incoming, and also lets you know when is the right time to enter a buy trade, or when is the right time to enter a sell trade. The heads up with respect to the potential reversals are given by the gray line. Then for your bullish signals, your precise buy signals and sell signals are given by the crossovers of the red and the blue lines. Okay, so it's very straightforward and very beginner friendly. Okay, this indicator is ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. If you found this breakdown helpful and you are excited to start using a better tool for spotting swing opportunities, smash that like button. And if you want to get, if you want to keep getting powerful forex trading content that helps you level up your skills, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.